My name is Marcus Frank, and I am the head of Manufacturing Support and GROB Net4 Industry Product Manager. At GROB, we employ 5,000 people worldwide in 4 locations: Bluffton, USA, Sao Paulo, Brazil, Dalian, China, and Mindelheim, Germany. We produce 5-axis simultaneous machining centers for the universal machine market and automotive industry at the 4 sites.
When did you first come across SolidCAM and iMachining?
Well, I first encountered iMachining at SolidCAM's booth at the AMB 2012 exhibition. We then attended an iMachining customer event in Schramberg in February 2013. And just 2 months later, in April, we performed our first milling tests on a G350 machining center in our production facility. And they were a complete success. In fact, we were so delighted with the results that we introduced SolidCAM iMachining in the application center that October.
SolidCAM recently unveiled its latest product, the iMachining integration for Siemens NX. GROB in Mindelheim is the first company in the world to use the iMachining integration for Siemens NX in a production environment. How did this come about?
Dr. Emil Somek, the CEO and founder of SolidCAM, promised at AMB 2014 to develop an iMachining integration for Siemens NX. And as we have been using more than 25 licenses for over a decade, this appealed to us at GROB. Dr. Emil Somek promised that we would be the very first customer worldwide. And our moment came in August 2015 when development was sufficiently advanced for us to begin testing. The test phase was concluded in November 2015, so we were then able to integrate the solution into the production environment just this year, in 2016. We were extremely happy with it.
Why does the iMachining integration for Siemens NX represent a milestone in CAM programming at GROB?
Our 25 NC programmers program in the NX environment. By integrating iMachining into NX, the NC programmers can navigate in their usual familiar environment. So no retraining is needed to use the iMachining technology.
How does production at GROB benefit from iMachining? In which areas are you using iMachining?
Thanks to the high metal removal rates, we have been able to reduce the machining times by at least half on some of our highly dynamic machines in our own production facilities. By using the whole length of the cutting edge, we have been able to significantly extend tool life while maintaining the spindle load. Our Technology and Application Center has already been using iMachining in SolidCAM since 2013.
What has been the feedback on iMachining in Siemens NX from users in the CAM departments?
The fast and simple operation of the Technology Wizard provides ideal support for the NC programmers. We have been achieving perfect milling results with the supplied material and machine databases from the very first use. The NC programmers no longer have to consider feed rates or speeds now, which means improved process stability. The NC programmers and machine operators were immediately impressed by iMachining.
How has the cooperation with SolidCAM worked for you to date?
The cooperation has been perfect from the very beginning. We get super support, perfect care, and a local presence. Over time, this has evolved into a joint development partnership in respect of GROB Net4 industry.
Mr. Frank, thank you very much for your time and candid observations. We look forward to continuing our excellent cooperation and partnership with GROB.